seen it or haven't. Kindling and
Oh yeah.
gather some firewood for this evening. We're setting up the decoy right now and just going to sit and make a few calls and see if we can call something in. This might be our last try here, and then we'll go downstream a little bit probably the next time. We did about a couple miles of walking, just kind of scouting a little bit. We didn't see much of anything. Saw signs, but we didn't see nest or anything like that, so I'll keep you posted. Welcome back to day number 2. Not sure if this will make or not. We did go for a morning hunt and no luck. You know, we did some calling, didn't hear anything, didn't see anything come in. We did some scouting. We saw plenty of areas where they could have scratched up and stuff like that, but we couldn't see anything or hear anything. We did spook up about 6 deer though, just wrong time of year for that. So the main objective today is to do some more hunts, maybe afternoon, evening hunt. You know, cook, eat. But yeah, we're just going to hunker down today, stay here, and maybe hunt across to the river, downstream a little bit where we can easily paddle back up and just stay here for another night. And then tomorrow we're going to pack up and float and do some more fishing for smallmouth. But anyways, I'm going to get some coffee going, get some lunch going, and I'll keep you posted throughout the day. Something we haven't seen all day is the sun. It's setting right now. Still beautiful. Good morning from day 3. If you notice, we got blown out. Had a lot of rain, unfortunately. That's just April for you. But we're just getting up this morning. We had some rain overnight. They definitely got a lot up north yesterday. And it is muddy down there. I don't know if you can tell. So the fishing's not going to be good today, but that's okay. If we see any turkeys along the way, we might still give it a shot. But either way, we'll be just packing up today and headed home. day 3. About as memorable as day 2, unfortunately. Got a good headwind here. Y'all can see the water. It's up about, I'd say 3 feet maybe. Muddy as all get out. I got one bait on, that's a spinner bait. I may see a rock or two and try to make an attempt to catch a fish, but main objective today is just get off the river safely. Now we got the gun out just in case we might see some turkeys along the river here. We might do a little spotting and stalking. I'll keep you posted if we do, but sorry, it's just been one of those weekends where the rain came in on us and didn't give us much opportunity for anything else. We did get a few hunts in. I think we got 3 or 4 hunts, about 45-minute sits, but we didn't hear anything on the side we were at. And between that, the rain, we just didn't go down, explore too much. We felt pretty safe where we're at because we're so far off the river bank, so we didn't want to pack up camp and move anywhere else. I did do some fishing last night, caught a bunch of small ones. I was trying to do a catch and cook video, but unfortunately, the ones I caught were nugget size. I downsized my baits to micro baits, and I caught micro fish. So I went back to my smallmouth baits. I was catching some bigger ones, but they still weren't big enough to keep and eat. It's been a waste of fish to try to get anything off of them. But anyways, we got about 3 miles left on this float. Should go by pretty quickly. Like, I don't even think I got a paddle, I just got to steer occasionally. So, but I might see an eddy or two, or I might throw in a spinner bait here and there and see if I can catch a few fish today. But other than that, just enjoy the beautiful scenery, and I'll meet you downstream. Well, that's all she wrote on this trip. Probably just gonna be one video. The fishing and the hunting just wasn't there on the next day or two, but that's all right. I still had a blast. Anytime I can go kayak camping out in the wilderness and catch some smallmouth, I'm a happy camper. So we had about 3 or 4 different opportunities to try to hunt for a turkey, and we just didn't hear any. Didn't see anything, so we must have been on the wrong mountain. It's kind of late in the season too. We got maybe 3 more days left of the turkey season, but that's okay. You live and learn. And I learned that April is a tough month to plan a trip because of the rain and all that coming in. April showers. Unfortunately, turkey season is during the month of April, but that's okay. But you live and learn. We lived. We learned some lessons, and that's all we can ask for. We had fun at the same time. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next adventure.